Yo, back with another one, man. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I trade the stock market using the strategy called support and resistance. The support and resistance strategy. Okay, so basically, this is, let me pull my tool out. This is going to be, let me figure out what I want to use. Okay, I'm going to use the brush. Okay, this right here, from the top of this mountain right here to the top of this mountain right here, to the top of this mountain right here. This is called the resistance level. This is basically like the ceiling. You can't come through the ceiling. So if you can't come through the ceiling, if you jumping up on a trampoline, right, and you keep jumping and jumping and you keep hitting that ceiling, you're going to come back down. As soon as you hit the top, you're going to do what? You're going to come back down. So basically, what this is doing right here, this area right, let me see. Okay. This area right here, this top area. Okay. This is the ceiling. This is the ceiling. This is the ceiling. This is an imaginary line that I drew so you can get a visual of what I'm talking about. Okay. So basically, once that candle hits the roof, the ceiling is going to do what? It's going to go back down. So if you know that it's about to go back down, what are you going to do? You're going to buy or sell. This is how you make your money. You will put in for sales. You will put in for sales if you see that candle has hit the roof. Once it come up, it ride it all the way up. Once you see these candles ride it all the way up and hit the roof, how you know it's the roof? Because you're looking at the previous candles back here. That's a roof. That's a rooftop. That's a rooftop. And it's all in the same area. It's all in the same area. So if you see that this candle right here is at the rooftop, 9 times out of 10, it's going to come back down. So you will want to go in for sales. This is where you will make your money. So this is a 5-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart. You have 2 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, you have about 2 minutes left on the candle, right? And another thing, you have to also make sure that the candle closes all the way out, because if it don't close and you get in a little too early, that candle can shoot up. That candle can shoot up to the top to where it'll bust through. Sometimes they break through. Well, a lot of times they break through. Don't think that they won't go through the roof, that they won't go through the ceiling. Okay, so like I say, once you see that candle hit the top, you would want to go in for sales. Same way with the bottom. This is called the support level. This is the floor. This is the floor. This is the floor. All this is the floor. Every time that you see that it come in that area, you would go in for what? If you see that the market came right here, came down, and it got in this area right here, what would you do? You would go in for buys. You would go in for buys because you know that from the previous area right here, you know that it's about to go back up and go towards the ceiling, which is the resistance level, right? Okay, that's how you make your money. All right, we got 45 seconds left on this candle right here. I'm going to go in for sales. I'm going to go in for sales and see if I can get me some money. This is paper trading, by the way. This is paper trading, so yeah, I can show y'all. I can practice with y'all. I can use the fake money. It's really no risk because it's paper trading. We're using fake money. Okay. 10 seconds left. I'm going in for sales. If you can see that, we already at $55, $100, $80. back down to $15, $70. The candle just started. The candle just started. So the candle has about 4 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. You have to be patient. It's 200. We down $200. We down 200 just that quick. But you have to be patient. It will come back down. If you see, remember, if you see that it's in that area, don't panic because it's already in the resistance level. You know 9 times out of 10 it's going to come down. It's going to ride it down. So just be patient and get your money. All right. So we're going to sit back and wait and see what this thing do. We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on this counter. Remember, it take money to make money, so you will need a couple dollars to put in. We at $35. 3 minutes left on the counter. I'm gonna erase these lines so you can see the candle. I'm also gonna zoom in. We're gonna see if it comes down. I don't have a stop loss on here because I'm teaching and I'm showing the basics. I don't want to confuse anybody, so I'm not really showing the stop loss. Okay, we at $35. We at 20. 30, back at one. We at 125, just that quick. 140. Okay, 180. $235. $330. $450. $420. I'm taking the $420 and I'm out. I'm at $440. $440 made in 5 minutes, and it haven't even been the whole 5 minutes. As you can see right here, it's still a minute and 25 seconds left on this counter. So you made 400, what it was, 420, I think, $420. I made $420 in under 5 minutes using the support and resistance level, because I knew for a fact that this candle, that this area right here was going to go back down. I knew that was going to go back down because, like I said, once it hit the top, once it hit the ceiling, it's going to come back. It's at the ceiling. It's at the resistance level. Right here, this is the floor. But yeah, man, easy as 1, 2, 3. A kindergarten can understand. So, yeah, pay attention. You know what it is, man. Darren Trades.